Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is week 10 and we got some gardening stuff to catch up to. So if you like watching these kind of videos, keep on watching. Before I go down, here is the sweet potato. It looks beautiful. It's doing great. I got lots of slips. Very exciting. Today I'm supposed to see tomatoes germinate. I'm supposed to plant some kale. It is not that bad outside, so I'm gonna plant my spinach in the front bed. Hopefully it's not freezing outside, because if it is, we're not going to do that. Alright, so check out the greenhouse, all nice and sweaty. It's actually working. Nice and sweaty. The humidity is definitely there. Now we gotta see if it actually worked with the seedlings. And if not, we have to replant some stuff. So that's the game for today. Alright guys, so as you saw, I redid a new tray with art colored tomato right here, the kales right here, and I did do 2 seeds per pod. Now I know the reason why people put 2 seeds per pod. The rest are nothing at the moment. I'm gonna come back and probably put the other stuff like cucumbers or anything like that. It's okay if they expand. I mean, worst comes to worst, I can put it in one of the containers when I'm done. Doesn't really matter if I use them or not. But this is the smallest container I have to use my pods. So if I don't put pods in it, they roll around when I put water in it. So I went in, these were the tomato trays. So as you saw, I went in and did 2 seeds again of the same seed in each pod. Some of them were already sprouting a little bit, like right here, just a little baby. So hopefully I didn't kill it, because you know, I'm not a professional, as I always say. And here is the pepper, and I did the same thing. I went in and put 2 seeds in each pod for each, you know, brand that we already did. I didn't want to mix it up and make it weird. And I went in and put 2 more cabbage, because the cabbage, these are the only 2 I ended up getting. And as you can see, they're doing pretty good. I think I'm gonna pull those out and put them in a cup instead, because I don't want them to keep getting stuck like that. I feel like that's my fault, but at least we got that going. So it seems like putting the plastic did work out for me. It did bring out more of the seeds up. You know, duh me, I forgot about the plastic, but at least I still got time, so it's okay. No problems there. So I'm gonna put those in a cup, and I'll show you what I mean by a cup. So here are my cups. It's just Bixie cups. They're plastic. Some of them have holes in the bottom. I just got 2 new ones without the holes, because obviously I don't want holes when I water them. So I'm just gonna plop it on there, ta-da, and call it a day. And rudely interrupted, but at least now they're not banging against each other, and I hope they grow a little bit better, especially the red one. This one seems like it was almost dying. So I'm just gonna leave them right there under the light with the heating mat. Same concept, same everything. So hopefully it'll work. I'll come check on it in like 2 days to make sure they're not completely dying, and then if anything, I'll put them back. But technically I don't even need to put them in a cup, because I could have just done this. Duh, Essie. Okay, well, you live and you learn, right? So I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and I'll come check them in like 2 days, and if nothing is up, then I can put them in the separate spots. But I feel like these are just overcrowding each other. But that's it. Yay. Alright guys, so I did want to go outside and do the spinach, but my husband is being a baby, because we've been sick with a virus for the past 3 days of vomiting and diarrhea. TMI, but he doesn't want to go outside today, so we're gonna leave it alone. I'll put the spinach probably next week if we get a chance. If I feel good this week, sometime in my break, I'll probably do it without him, and he'll get mad. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one.